The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello everyone. Today the storm threat has stayed well down towards our south, and thankfully in the last few hours what did have a level 4 risk has been reduced into a level 3 risk. Still pretty bad, still plenty of storms coming through there, but at least it's starting to calm down a little bit. Tomorrow level 1s and 2s in a lot of the same regions, but it does look like that one's concentrated a little further west. Dallas is included in the level 2 risk, so if you're flying through there, delays are likely. If you're flying through Atlanta, might get some, but Denver, Dulles, New York, Detroit, all of those spots staying well outside of the storm threat tomorrow. Our temperatures are able to warm up pretty nicely, even though we've got our showers and storms right now, which the Weather Service did put a special weather statement on that long line that was stretching through Danville and into Halifax County. So expect some high wind gusts and some of that lightning. It is moving pretty far towards the south pretty quickly, so it's not going to stick around too much longer. But tomorrow, because we're going to start off with some sunshine, we're able to warm up pretty nicely. The NRV and Highland zones both get up towards 80 degrees, and then Roanoke, Lynchburg, and Southside all make it to the mid-80s, with Lynchburg and Southside both at 85. The UV index is going to be high for tomorrow. We're going to have a good amount of sunshine mixed in with some clouds. So if you're out for 25 minutes or more, sunburns are going to start to become more and more likely. So especially with the days being as long as they are, some sunscreen is really handy for this time of the year. On the future tracker, the rainfall that we've got along the southern border right now will continue to press towards the south. I think by 2 a.m. we're done with most of that, just spotty showers left over. And again, lots of sunshine early in the day to help us warm up. Now by noon, we do have a few showers forming here and there. They are still pretty isolated, but there's enough spread that most of us are probably going to get at least a few raindrops out of that. They are more common in Southside and the NRV than they are a little bit further towards the north. By 6 p.m., we're starting to see those showers really ease off, and then we stay pretty dry overnight going into Friday morning. Now, by 6 a.m. on Friday, a couple showers make their way into Pocahontas County, but it really takes until noon, 1 o'clock for some heavier rain to develop that's going to impact more of us. Moving through Lexington at around 11, it goes through Nelson and Amherst County towards Appomattox at 1, 2 o'clock. That's that spot of heavy rain further towards the east. Other than that, mostly stays as light showers. Probably going to get some lightning and some high wind gusts out of that, but right now the severe threat is pretty low. And then as we get towards Friday evening, we dry out. We stay pretty dry for both Saturday and Sunday. Now, there is smoke coming from northern wildfires yet again. Now, this one looks like it is going to be a little bit higher in the atmosphere, but there is still going to be quite a bit of smoke collecting on the eastern side of Virginia. Not going to be great for us Friday morning as that comes through. The next weather system stays pretty well off towards our west until Monday, so that sets us up nicely for the weekend itself. As Monday gets here, that warm front comes in and brings some storms, and we'll start to get some cooler air as we get towards Wednesday and Thursday. This weekend, we stay pretty comfortable with temperatures in the 80s both days, and lots of sunshine. It's pretty good to get outside. Overnight, we fall back down to the 50s. Roanoke's at 59, and the limited sunshine that we have at Thursday at least puts us up into the upper 70s and low 80s. Blacksburg at 79, Alta Vista 83. On the extended forecast, temperatures stay in the mid-80s pretty consistently. Sunday gives us a little bit of extra heat with all that sunshine we have. And then our storms come through on Monday. Right now, the severe threat's fairly low, but still could get some storms out of that. Showers continuously on Tuesday and Wednesday. And on the 3-degree guarantee, didn't add anything on for today, but at 380 for the month so far. Those clouds kept us cool at 78, which is well below average,